Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So today in this video I am going to show you that how you can create and customize your own free YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So you can design your intro and outro on Canva. So if you have not seen my previous video on intro on Canva for free, I'll give that video's description. I'll give that video's link in description. You can see from there. So let's start it for YouTube thumbnails. So let's start. So first you have to open your any web browser. So like I am opening my Google, and you have to open Canva in it. So as you can see, Canva it is here. Or if it is not coming, so you can just type Canva and enter it. And as you can see, the first hyperlink Canva Visual Suite for everyone. You have to just click on this Canva Visual Suite for first hyperlink. So you have to type YouTube thumbnail. You have to search YouTube thumbnail here. YouTube thumbnail and just enter it. So as you can see, here are some templates. So you have to go on this create a blank. So I just choose the create blank. So I'll just choose the templates for my thumbnail. So as you can see, here are the varieties of thumbnail. If you are a daily blogger, the thumbnail are also for daily bloggers and gamers also and chefs also. So how to design free thumbnail? So first it depends on you that which template of thumbnail you want to choose. So I'm just choosing this template. So if you don't want this image here on this frame, you have to just and you want your YouTube channel's logo. So first click on this image and delete it from here. So as you can see, delete image. So don't delete the frame, delete the image. So I'll just copy my YouTube logo and just paste it. So I have copied my logo of YouTube channel, and now I will paste it from Ctrl+V. So as you can see, I have pasted my YouTube logo. So I'll just scroll it and just set it here at the frame like this. So as you can see, it is here. So live now, if you are doing any live stream, so this will be the thumbnail. So you cannot delete this live now. So like I am not doing the live stream, so I'll just click on this live now option and just backspace it, and then backspace this frame also. So in this midnight, I'll just backspace the midnight, and I'll just write free thumbnail. So I'll just backspace the free also. I'll just delete the free also like this thumbnail, and you can just go on this gaming option and double click on this text box like this, and just backspace this word also, gaming, and thumbnail for. So the font is very big, so I'll just decrease the font size. This is final as you can see this. So for is coming here, so for I'll just decrease this size also. Thumbnail for YouTube and live streaming. I'm not live streaming, so just click on this frame and double click on this word. So just delete this live streaming word, and you can write design on Canva. So these are the neon lights you can choose for gaming or if you are choosing any versus game, or you are any chef. So uh, Canva we can use for many things like intro, outro, and thumbnail. So I am using for thumbnail. So it is looking like a gaming thumbnail. So it's your choice that what background you have to choose for your thumbnail. So as you can see, I have designed my thumbnail. So for saving it, you have to share it. Go to the share option, and here is the option of download. So you can click on this download option, and you can download on your desktop or any your file. So this is enough for today's video. Thanks for watching, and like this you can create your own free, and you can customize your free thumbnail on Canva. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my